Hi, this is Michael Niren, immigration lawyer and founder of visaplace.com. Happy New Year to everybody. 2016 hopefully will be a great year. This is my first video of the year. Hopefully you'll like it. So let's talk about what we always talk about, immigration. A lot of talk in the news, especially politically. The presidential primaries are underway, and the candidates can't help themselves in terms of talking about immigration. They're tripping over themselves with the rhetoric, trying to outdo each other as to how they're going to restrict immigration. I think this is an unfortunate thing. Immigration, as I've said before, is not a national defense strategy. Immigration typically helps and doesn't hurt free societies. They help them culturally, help them economically. Now, of course, there are concerns about, for example, the Syrian refugees infiltrating in terms of there could be some individuals, terrorists, who amongst the refugee population may try to take advantage. So screening is definitely a must, and I'm for that. But some of the candidates, for example, like Ted Cruz, saying, imagine if doctors, lawyers, and journalists were trying to cross the Rio Grande, there would be an uproar in terms of all the jobs that would be lost to these intending immigrants. Rhetoric like that is not helpful. In fact, it's not even economically sound. Immigration, as I mentioned, is a net, always provides a net benefit to the economy. Most immigrants aren't coming to Canada or United States to go on welfare. They're looking to work, to study, to grow, and to contribute. Just imagine, why would they uproot their lives in their home country to come to some new land, disrupt their lives? And the reason they do this is because in their home country, in most cases, there's a lot greater oppression, less economic opportunities, less freedoms. So they're coming to America and Canada in the hopes of making a life for themselves. People living here want that, need that. So this rhetoric about erecting a wall, preventing immigrants from coming, in the hopes that that's going to stem or prevent more terrorist attacks, or protect local workers, is just nonsense. It's rhetoric, and that's what it is. So I think the public should be aware of the reality out there, and the media, as well as the candidates themselves, will say and do what they can for their own agendas, and we all know that anyway. Anyway, the facts are the facts. It's unfortunate that this year there's a lot, and in 2015 there's a lot of anti-immigration rhetoric. I think it's a classic scapegoat scenario. In any event, we'll see what events will unfold, and hopefully the rhetoric will calm down, and we can move forward. Anyway, Happy New Year, and I hope you all have a great year.